Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the eufy E25 robot vacuum. If you're interested in this vac, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, at the top of the vacuum, we have a navigational bumper at the front. Make sure there's no debris starting to accumulate in that channel right there. And you can wipe down this cover because it will attract a lot of fingerprints. And then inside we have the dustbin. This is where you'll find the filter. So just pop this cover open right there. That takes us to this filter that you can eventually replace as needed. Compressed air will be your friend to clean that out. Same with the inside right here. So there's a little tab. You just press that to release so you can wash and rinse that out. So that's going to give you access to the dustbin right there. And again, very easy to clean that filter and replace it as needed. And then in here you can investigate for any tangles or debris and remove. And again, compressed air will be your friend. Looking at the very front, this bumper is glossy. It'll attract a lot of smudges and fingerprints as well. And you want to make sure that the main array of sensors right here is free from any sort of obstructions or dirt or dust starting to settle there. So you can gently wipe that down with a microfiber cloth. Here's a look at the side. The back side, make sure the charging contacts are wiped down as needed, that there's no clogs or anything in there. Here's a look at the other side. We have a sensor, so make sure that that sensor is also wiped down as needed if dirt or dust starts to settle in there. On the back side, we actually have a removable dirty water tank. So you push this button here and that pops out and that reveals the dirty water tank. Inside here, we can open that up and we can clean this out. So we are able to grab, there's a little metal handle there, and that'll pull this whole filter system out. So we can wash and rinse that out, wipe that down. Same within there. And then you can just gently line everything back up. Get it nice and snug back in there. And then on this side, so we can pull that cap off, rinse it out, and just gently push it back. Same with this side. Push it back in. Not much to it. And then you can look in here and see the roller as well. And that just popped up as we have the unit on its side. So let's snap this back in place. Now with the unit flipped over, we have more common maintenance to look at here. More cliff sensors, as I call them. That's going to be what you want to wipe down. That's how it senses the depth to not drive off stairs or steps or things like that. We have our extended side brush there and then our fixed side brush. These just pop right off, so you can pull them out when it's time to replace them. You can cut away any hair tangles. Very easy. We have our main brush roller here. It's split into two. These are replaceable. So basically you just move it out. So like move it in towards each other. And that brings them up like so. And then for each one, you just pull it off. So when it's time to replace this, if it's worn out, you want a new one, very easy. So just pull them off like so. Or if you want to give them a deep clean, maybe there's a little tangling, little dirt, dust starting to accumulate on the brush, you can just pop those off and then they just slide right back in place like so. And again, same thing for the other one. Just work it down, pull it off, and that's it. This cover then just lines up again, snaps in place. And at the bottom, we have our mop roller here. There's a red button on the side, allowing us to eject that roller. Very easy to swap this out with a new roller once this one's worn out. Or for some reason, if you want to give it a deeper clean than what it gets in the station, you can always pop it off to clean it yourself. And then in here, you can wipe down any sort of accumulating hair, dirt, and debris that's starting to settle in that bay. But just line it up, get it to the side, just like so, and then the red button snaps right back in place. So not much to it, simple and straightforward to take care of your eufy E25 robot vac and mop.